Let's learn how you can remove profile picture from Instagram account. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device because method is same for all phones. So without any delay, let us start by opening our Instagram application. Once you're here, you'll have to go to your profile. To do that, click on your profile picture in bottom right corner. When you're on your profile page, click on this edit profile button. Now when edit profile page appears, click on blue button edit picture or avatar, and this pop-up will appear. You can see the last list, red trash icon, remove picture. Just click on that and your profile picture will be removed, as you can see.